how to find and use Pinterest keyword tool.
You're going to go down to ads, create ad, cancel. Then you're going to scroll over to formerly traffic consideration. And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, click continue. Scroll over, select find new customers, interests and keywords. And then you're going to select add keywords. Okay, from there you're going to use the search bar. And you're going to type in whatever your niche is for your small business. For this one, I'm going to use social media management. And then it's going to show you all the results for the popular keywords on Pinterest. So the left will be keywords and the right will be monthly searches. You want about 5 to 10 with under 5 million and then 10 to 15 on the 5 million. So I'm going to select a few and you'll see that add directly to the left side. You can go ahead and copy and paste these to a separate document to keep for your records, and then you will want to redo your keyword search every 3 to 4 months.